everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday so far. Today is currently Monday when I am recording, but when you see this it will be on a Wednesday because I need time to edit the video and get it uploaded and all of that stuff. Some of the flower stickers here at the bottom are from one of the Happy Planner sticker books, but everything else is in fact from Gold Mine and Cocoa. So this position is a little different. I'm not in the bedroom recording because, well, I'm in the living room at the moment. So this is going to be a quick video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. And don't forget to turn the notifications on. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. Let me move this notebook out the way. That way you guys would be able to see everything a little bit better. So let's go ahead and start with the income. So my paycheck was from February the 9th to February the 23rd. So my work income after taxes, after health savings account, insurance, after automatic payments were sent to saving and investing, all of that stuff. My income, now remember not on Facebook, remember on Instagram when I posted, I'll just put a picture here, when I posted this, so, my work income is $946.12. Yes, it's not even $1,000 to budget off of, but that's okay because guess what we're going to do? We are going to work around it. And this is what you would do if your income is lower than expected. So when it comes to extra income, that amount is $250. And when you add both of those up, you end up with $1,196.12. Now, when it comes to offering, which I've already sent my sister this money, so I sent her $110, which leaves us with a budget income of not that much, but enough to get through. So $1,086.12. So for the next 2 weeks, we are working with $1,086.12. Let's go ahead and talk about the expenses. So when it comes to the first half of the month, we have AT&T. That amount is $60, and I've already paid it. When it comes to NES, I've already paid that as well. That bill isn't due until the 15th or 16th, so it's already paid, but it was $152. When it comes to medical, I have that money sitting aside waiting for the auto withdrawal. When it comes to Straight Talk, this is for 2 phone lines, and that amount was $99.83, I believe. So $99.83. Uh-oh, I almost left the period out. What's next? So next we have rent. When it comes to rent, we are splitting the rent into 2, so $33,082.50. Those are all of the expenses for the next 2 weeks, and those only equal up to $754.33. Not bad, huh? Let me do this. Let me draw a line. That way I won't be confused. So we have $754.33 for expenses. That leaves me with $331.79 for everything else. When it comes to cash envelopes, I'm only doing 3. Yes, 3. Normally I would have food, gas, laundry, spending, giving, household just in case. But since I'm working with what I have, we're only going to do the main 3. So when it comes to food, we're still going to do $160. When it comes to gas, which I already got gas, and that was $50. I may end up needing to get more gas, so that $50 amount, I may have to move that up to about $70. So laundry, it gets its normal $20. And when you add all of those together, you get $230. So not bad for 2 weeks. And these are just the main things that I truly need. I don't really need any items for a household. I don't need any tissue, any paper towel, any laundry detergent, any of that. So I now have $101.79 left. Let's see where it's going to go. So these are my savings. So we always want to save something for medical, car, and travel at least. So when it comes to medical, we're going to do $20. When it comes to car, we're going to do $20. When it comes to travel is getting $20. When it comes to gifts is getting $40. And when it comes to extra Roth, which is that $1.79 that I'm going to send over to Fidelity. So this total is $101.79. And what I'm going to do now is just flip over. And what I'm going to do is pretty much just rewrite everything. Okay, so I have everything written out. And since I don't have my calculator, I can't subtract everything. But I do know for a fact that all of this equals up to a fat 0. So I've already written out how I want my check-ins to look. And I do have a note right here that just says buy O, which is the corporation or whatever it is. And I'm going to buy 3 to 5 shares. 3 shares the last time I checked was yesterday. So 3 shares was $204 and 5 shares was $340. So leave a comment down below of which amount of shares you think I bought. Was it 3, 4, or 5? So this is my bi-weekly budget for the first paycheck of February. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a different view of everything, but this is it. This is my simple budget where I am making the income work and still able to save something. So have a great day.